What's good, y'all? It's your boy Jay on the Segway. Today's video, we got this guy right here, the Action 3, and then we got the GoPro Hero 11 Black inside the media mod. Let's talk connectivity with microphones to these guys, all right? Alright guys, so here we're going to demonstrate what type of adapters and cables you are going to need to plug microphones into this guy. And when it comes to the GoPro, I'm going to show you guys adapters and cables you may need to hook microphones up to this guy. Alright, so with that being said, let's start with the Action 3. We'll hit it off with the Action 3. You got the side door there. That is where your USB-C connector is. You want to take the door, slide it down, pull it away. That gives you full access to the door. Now this cable right here, that's your Google 3.5 to USB-C cable, and it plugs into there. Now in order to plug that into any microphone that is a TRS microphone, you see that gray side, you plug that gray side right inside that 3.5 millimeter, and that is your TRRS side. The black side is your TRS side. That is a TRS microphone. So you plug it into that. Same thing with the Rode, okay? The Wireless Go and the Wireless Go 2. Those are TRS microphones. Basically any 3.5 millimeter microphone is a TRS microphone. Here we have the Ulanzi cage for the DJI Action 3. In order to use any of those microphones and you want to be able to mount them to this camera somehow, you need this Ulanzi cage. And here you go. There's your microphone. You see the cold shoe mount right there. That's where you're going to take your microphones, and that's where you're going to put them. You slide it there. You go on ahead and screw the wheel until it tightens up. Boom. Then you take that USB-C end. Make sure you plug it in, and then there you go. The Rode Wireless Go is hooked up. Same thing with the Ulanzi microphone that's hooked up to the top right now with the cold shoe mount. That Rode wireless microphone can actually go into that cold shoe mount as well. The clip for the Rodes are cold shoe mount ready. There you go. That bad boy's in there nice and secure. Okay, so here we have the Ulanzi UW Mic 20T. This right here can typically plug right into the Action 3 if you want a microphone solution, but it doesn't work with the Ulanzi cage because the Ulanzi cage is too big. So you see this adapter right here, that is a USB-C male to USB-C female end. You plug that in there and now you got clearance. Also, it allows you to get to the power cable or the power button a whole lot easier. And there's your microphone. So you unplug it. If you do not want to use the Ulanzi cage, you don't have to. This thing plugs right into the Action 3 all by himself. Just take note of the actual how much further down from the body of the camera that microphone receiver sticks out. In case you want to lay it on a flat surface, you cannot. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you the GoPro Hero 11 Black. All right, this is outside of the media mod. That's why the door is missing. You cannot plug USB-C anything into this microphone, into this camera, and think it's going to work, especially that adapter cable. This TRRS cable, you cannot use it with the GoPro. It will not work. You need a TRS to TRS cable, which is what the Rode and any other boom microphone will come with. So you take the GoPro, you will need this media mod that I am putting it inside of. You slide the GoPro inside the media mod, make sure it's in there flush, close the door. Boom. Now look at the back. You see we got a 3.5 millimeter input on the bottom there. That's where you're going to plug your TRS cables, like that one right there is. You take that, you plug it in, go on ahead and we're going to start with the Rode Wireless Go, and you just plug it right into the receiver, and anything that receiver receives from the transmitter, which is your microphones, it will take that sound and put it right into your GoPro. And you see we have 2 cold shoe mounts on the media mod, which is actually pretty good. You slide that thing in there and it's good to go. I'm plucking it, it ain't coming out. It is secure, guys. Good thing about Rode wireless microphones. Now you see this little microphone here, the little shotgun, that's the Lume Cube microphone. We're gonna go and take that other end of that TRS cable and plug that in. That is a TRS microphone. Like I said, most microphones, if any all, with a 3.5 millimeter end is usually a TRS microphone. And here we got it plugged. And that's almost only all the information you're gonna need to know. All you guys need to know is the DJI Action 3 and any DJI Action camera or any action camera that only has a USB-C as far as input goes, that means it's going to need a USB-C microphone, and that's what you're going to need. Now this camera right here is a TRRS camera. That's all you need to remember. This is a TRRS camera, and your GoPros, and this is all GoPros, when it comes to the media mod and that little microphone mod, little cable thing that they have, that right there, this is a TRS microphone. TRS camera. So any camera that's a TRS camera needs a TRS microphone basically hooked up to it. All these microphones you see are TRS microphones. The Ulanzi microphone, that is a TRRS cable microphone, because if it's designed with a USB-C end on it, USB-C is always related to cell phones, tablets, even computers, okay? Anything like that is TRRS. So if you want to connect any microphone that's a TRS microphone, like this little Lume Cube microphone right here, I have a Rode Wireless Go NTG on top of this camera right now recording the audio. These are all TRS microphones. So you will always need this adapter right here, this Rode SC7 cable. This will always allow you to connect a TRS microphone to a TRRS camera, okay? And that goes for your cell phones, that goes for your laptops, that goes for your tablets. Those are TRRS. This black end is your TRS, that will always plug into your actual microphone. That is a TRS microphone. And this gray end, always remember the gray end is gonna go right into this adapter. These adapters are so important, so make sure you buy enough of them, okay? Because you may need them for different things. You will always plug that gray side into the TRRS. TRRS to TRRS. To TRRS. That's how you get your audio using the microphone that you plug the TRS end into. If this all confuses you, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'll no problem answering your questions. It's more simpler than it seems, okay? Don't complicate it. It's not that bad. This is very simple. This is a TRS mic camera, and this is a TRRS camera. Other TRS cameras will be like your Insta360, because it uses a 3.5mm jack for audio. So that means usually that's TRS, okay? Anything that uses USB-C, that's going to be TRRS. Thanks for watching, okay? And don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video. Peace.